Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your computer class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your computer class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know, that we were doing chapter number 5, that is knowing Windows 7. Okay, so this was the topic that we had started in our last session. Okay, so we have already discussed some of the topics from here. So before giving you a recall, I'll just write on the topic on the board, and all of you kindly open your books at page number 31, that is knowing Windows 7. So chapter number is 5. This is chapter 5. The topic is knowing Windows 7. This is the chapter. So in the last session we had discussed some of the points that I am going to discuss with you all. So we have discussed that what is Windows 7. So Windows 7 is basically an operating system, okay, that is basically used or commonly used in the laptops and the desktop. Okay, now after that we have discussed about the various elements, important elements that we can observe on the desktop screen of Windows 7. So we discussed the desktop icon was there, recycle bin, like desktop icons like recycle bin and my computer was there. Other than that, there are certain icons of the a start button is there. Okay, start menu, we call it as start, time and date, volume. Okay, then desktop screen. This is the desktop screen. The mouse pointer. Okay, that we use to click. So हम किसी भी अगर चीज़ को हमें ओपन करना है या सिलेक्ट करना है, so we do that with the help of this mouse pointer. Okay, after this we had discussed that how the start menu works. So how you can open different programs by using the start menu. Okay, so what are the various steps that you have to follow for opening a program through the start menu. Okay, now today I am going to start with the next topic, that is program window. The next topic is program. This is the topic, that is program window. Okay, and this is given at page number 36. This topic is given at page number 36, that is program window. Now, so here you can see a screen. So I'm just trying to make it. Okay, so I'll just try to make it. Okay, so this is your desktop screen. Okay, I'm just drawing. So I will draw just some basic elements here. This is your desktop screen. Okay, and इसके अंदर आपने एक word की फाइल ओपन की हुई है. Suppose you have opened a word file here. तो desktop screen पे word file ओपन आपने की हुई है. Okay, so here some tabs are there. So this is a tab. Okay, so that is containing some icons over here. तो यहाँ पे कुछ icons बने हुए हैं. Okay, यहाँ पे purple color का है, and arrow is also here. Then and एक arrow इस side को, एक side इस side को. So this kind of arrow is there. Then it is document. That it is document, word, pad, document, word, pad. Now here you can see three signs like this. Okay, like this and this. So you can see three signs here. After this, another tab is also there, that is light green color. इसके अलावा एक और टैब बनी हुई है लाइट ग्रे कलर की. ओके ओके, सो यहाँ पे इसके बाद कुछ बना है. हियर इट इज़ एन एरो इज ऑल्सो देयर. ओके, एन एरो इज देयर. देन इट इज होम, देन व्यू. ओके, व्यू इज ऑल्सो देयर. ओके, एंड देन अनदर टैब, एक बहुत बड़ी टैब है जिसमें अलग अलग कॉलम्स हैं. ओके, सो सर्टेन टैब्स आर. ओके, सो डिफरेंट अलग अलग चीज़ें हैं यहाँ पे. ओके, अलग अलग चीज़ें हैं. ओके, सो नाउ दिस इज डेस्कटॉप आइकन. तो यहाँ पे आपका डेस्कटॉप का आइकन है लाइक माई कंप्यूटर. ओके, दिस इज माई PC. And then recycle bin is also there. Okay, तो ये आपका डेस्कटॉप. दिस इज कंप्लीट डेस्कटॉप स्क्रीन एंड दिस इज द डॉक्यूमेंट दैट यू हैड ओपन ऑन योर डेस्कटॉप स्क्रीन. ये आपने अपने डेस्कटॉप स्क्रीन के ऊपर एक डॉक्यूमेंट ओपन किया हुआ है. क्लियर? नाउ, so there are certain buttons, okay, there are certain tabs that you can see on your desktop screen. The first is title bar. The first is title bar. Now what is the title bar? Title bar क्या है? So you can see this is document WordPad. तो ये आपको बता रहे हैं कि आपने जो डॉक्यूमेंट ओपन किया है, what is that? That is title bar. So this is title. So it shows you the title. This is title bar. ओके, तो देखिए टाइटल का मतलब हम किसी पोएम को टाइटल देते हैं. ठीक है, सॉन्ग को टाइटल होता है. सो दैट मीन्स इट डिफाइंस कि वो सॉन्ग कैसा है, क्या वर्ड्स हैं उसके. ओके, वैसे हम कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट क्रिएट करते हैं उसको टाइटल देते हैं. दिस इज आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल क्लास 4 कंप्यूटर. So this is the title, this is a name that you give. So title displays the name of the document or the type of the document. So this is a document WordPad. तो ये WordPad का एक document है. So this is the title bar. So this bar basically depicts the title. Okay, basically ये title बताता है हमें. Okay, so the topmost bar that displays the name of the program is the title bar. So this displays the name of the program. So title bar displays the name of the program. After that, the next is quick access toolbar. The next is quick access. So that quick access includes these three. ये quick access 3. ये जो 3 हैं, this is quick access. This is quick access tool bar. This is quick access toolbar. Now what is quick access toolbar? ये है क्या? So this is basically a toolbar that is used to access the given document quickly. उसको quickly access करने के लिए. Just like so this is a document that you can this is option that you can use for saving. So basically आपके कंप्यूटर में you can see this is used for saving a document. Then another arrow is here for undo, then redo. Okay, so these are the quick access toolbar. This is save, undo and redo. So these are क्विक एक्सेस टूलबार. इसके थ्रू आप जल्दी सेव, मतलब सपोज आपको कोई डॉक्यूमेंट सेव करना है तो कंट्रोल S प्रेस करने की बजाय अपने कीबोर्ड के ऊपर यू कैन क्लिक ऑन दिस एंड यू कैन सेव द डॉक्यूमेंट. ओके, देन एरोज अंडू एंड रीडू. अंडू मीन्स जो आपने किया है उसको अंडू करना है, मतलब वो गलत कर दिया है, आप उसको इरेज करना चाहते हो. इन स्पाइट ऑफ इरेजिंग बाय द कीबोर्ड यू कैन क्लिक जस्ट ऑन दिस. तो कीबोर्ड से बैक स्पेस करके या डिलीट को यूज़ करके आप उसको डिलीट करने की बजाय you can click on this. So this is undo. Undo means पिछले वाले पे चले जाओगे. Redo means suppose आपने कुछ लिखा था और आपको एकदम से दिमाग में आई गलती से आपने जो लिखा चाहिए था आपने वो डिलीट कर दिया. So what you will do? But okay, you will click on this. So redo करने के लिए you will click on this. उसको दोबारा करना. और यू कैन प्रेस कंट्रोल प्लस जेड. तो ये so in spite of using the keyboards or the keys of the keyboards, you can use these 3 quick exits toolbar, that is save, undo and redo. Clear? चलिए, next is program button. The next is program button. So the button that we are having here, this is called program. This is called program button. Now what is this program button? Under the quick access toolbar, the first button on the left side is the program button, which opens up the main menu of the program. So this is the program button. ये क्या है? program button. So इसका क्या काम है बेटा? So when you, this is the, ये बिल्कुल लेफ्ट कॉर्नर में program button है along with an arrow. So whenever you want to open, sorry not open, so अगर आपको उस प्रोग्राम की जितनी भी डिटेल चाहिए, so if you want to open, so this is the program button. Okay, you can see here in the book, sorry, this is the program button that you can see in the book. Okay, तो इसका क्या काम है बेटा? So this shows the ये आप जब एज यू क्लिक ऑन दिस एरो, सो यू कैन सी एन एरो इज ऑल्सो हेयर. सो जैसे आप इस एरो के ऊपर क्लिक करोगे, सो दिस एरो, ओके, एज यू क्लिक ऑन दिस एरो, दिस विल डिस्प्लेज द मेन मेन्यू ऑफ द प्रोग्राम. वो उस प्रोग्राम का मेन मेन्यू आपके सामने डिस्प्ले कर देगा. सो दिस इज प्रोग्राम बटन दैट डिस्प्लेज द मेन मेन्यू ऑफ द प्रोग्राम. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज प्रोग्राम बटन. Next is tab. Now what is tab? Okay, so this home and view, जो ये home and view बने हुए हैं, these are the tab. These are tabs. ये क्या है? tabs. तो आपको home page पे जाना है, view करना है, कैसे view करना है. So these are the tabs that you will use. Okay, the group of related commands are given to the tabs home and view, the two tabs in the program. So if you want to go to the home page, home of this given document, so you will click on home. If you want to view the page that you have created, so you can click on view. So these two are known as tabs. Next is ribbon. Now what is ribbon? So ribbon, it displays of related commands in the tab. Each tab offers shortcut buttons to the common tabs. So this complete, यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है. दिस इज कॉल्ड रिबन, RIBB, सॉरी यहाँ पे दिख नहीं रहा है, दैट इज RIBBON. दिस इज रिबन, RIBBON. दिस इज रिबन. सो इसमें बेसिकली यू विल गेट ऑल द थिंग्स लाइक आपको शॉर्टकट, यू विल गेट द शॉर्टकट. इफ़ यू वांट टू हाईलाइट समथिंग, आपको जस्ट हाईलाइट करनी है, बोल्ड करनी है, यू वांट टू चेंज द साइज ऑफ कंटेंट, यू द स्टाइल ऑफ कंटेंट. सो वट एवर यू कैन वॉन्ट, यू कैन चूज फ्रॉम दिस बटन. तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऑप्शन शॉर्टकट्स दिए होते हैं. सो यू कैन चेंज द आउटलुक ऑफ योर प्रोग्राम बाय यूजिंग दीज ऑप्शंस दैट इज गिवन इन द रिबन. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज मैक्सिमाइज बटन. अगर आपको कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट ओपन करना है, लार्ज करना है, सो यू डू दिस बटन, दैट इज मैक्सिमाइज बटन. ओके, आपने डॉक्यूमेंट खोला, छोटा सा अपीयर, सपोज आपको चाहते हैं कि पूरी स्क्रीन पे अपीयर हो, सो यू विल डबल क्लिक ऑन दिस एंड ये क्या करेगा, पूरा का पूरा जो आपने डॉक्यूमेंट खोला है वो पूरा मैक्सिमाइज करके उसको पूरी स्क्रीन के फिट कर देगा. दैट इज मैक्सिमाइज बटन. नेक्स्ट इज मिनिमाइज. एग्जैक्टली अगर आपको ये फोल्डर बंद करना है, ठीक है, बंद नहीं करना चाहते हो, जस्ट मिनिमाइज को थोड़ी देर नीचे चला जाए ताकि आप बाकी काम कर सके. सो यू विल क्लिक ऑन दिस, दिस इज मिनिमाइज. दिस इज मिनिमाइज बटन. नेक्स्ट क्लोज बटन. दिस इज क्लोज. अगर आपको ये डॉक्यूमेंट जो आपने ओपन किया है, इफ यू वांट टू close it, so you have to click on close button. Okay, so these are the various terms or the program, the things that you can see on program window. So basically maximize पूरे स्क्रीन पे फिट करता है, मिनिमाइज उस फोल्डर को नीचे लेगा, उसको छोटा कर देता है. ओके, मतलब एंड देन जैसे ही आप उसको नीचे से क्लिक करोगे वो फिर दोबारा ओपन हो जाएगा. मैंने कहता है थोड़ी देर इसको हटा दिया एंड देन यू विल गेट इट बैक व्हेन एवर यू क्लिक ऑन दैट गिवन ओपन फोल्डर. नाउ क्लोज, अगर आपको पूरी तरह से बंद ही करना है, आप चाहते नहीं कि वो कहीं नज़र भी आए, सो यू विल क्लिक ऑन क्लोज. So these are the certain things that you can see on a program window. So now I'm going to explain each and every point in words. तो यहाँ पे मैं आपको words में explain करूँगी what is the meaning. Okay, so that it will be more clear to you all. Okay, then I show you on the picture of your book as well. तो आपकी book की भी picture में नजर होंगी. And just make sure that जब भी आप ये whenever we are having the online class of this topic, so make sure that you all attend it, okay, so that I can show you practically that where all these buttons, tabs or ribbons they lie, okay, ताकि आपको पता चल जाए कि सब हैं कहाँ एक्चुअली. अदरवाइज ऐसे orally आपको नहीं समझ में आएगा. so just make sure, so whenever we are having this class of online session of this, okay, so please join the class. That is on 3rd September 2020. चलिए, now moving to the topic. Okay, so class, now we will discuss all the tabs or all the other program windows, the terms related to the program windows in detail. Okay, so I have just shown you a diagram in which I have explained you what are the various tabs or the various icons that you will see in a program window whenever you open a text document. Okay, so let's discuss in detail. So the first bar that we had discussed was title bar. Okay, so the first one, okay, so we were talking about program window. Okay, so we were talking about program window. So as a first thing that we talked about, that is title bar. Okay, so first of all हमने बात की थी टाइटल बार. तो टाइटल बार क्या करता है? इट डिस्प्लेज, ओके, सो इट शोज और इट डिस्प्लेज द नेम ऑफ द प्रोग्राम इन द टाइटल बार. ओके, सो दिस इज द टॉप मोस्ट बार, सबसे ऊपर वाली बार होती है किसी भी डॉक्यूमेंट को जो भी हमने ओपन किया होता है. एंड इट डिस्प्लेज द नेम ऑफ द प्रोग्राम इन द टाइटल बार. ओके, सो दैट डिस्प्लेज the name of the program. So what is the main function? Okay, which bar is known as title bar? The bar that displays the name of a program is known as title bar. So what it does? It displays the title of the program. It displays the title of the program. Full stop. Okay. So second that we talked about, that is quick access toolbar. So the second bar was quick access toolbar. So what is the function of quick access toolbar? So quick access toolbar का क्या function है बेटा? So this quick access toolbar, it shows some important buttons. Okay, so that has some important buttons like save, do, undo, redo. Okay, so and we can even add more buttons to the quick access toolbar. So this is basically the shortcut key or the shortcut button for some important, okay, so for some important content like save, do, redo, undo. Okay, so it is, okay, so it shows some most important buttons. Okay, so you can see you can quickly access some of the most important buttons in the quick access toolbar. So it is, on the title bar there is a quick access toolbar with some important buttons, save, undo and redo. You can add more buttons to it. Okay, so quick access toolbar contains it displays displays some important it displays some important buttons like save, undo, redo, etc. Okay, and if you want you can add more buttons to it. Okay, अगर आप चाहते हो तो आप अपने आप भी कुछ उसमें जो क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार में कुछ और बटन्स भी मैनुअली you can add it. Okay, so the third thing that we talked about, that is program button. Okay, so third thing was program, that is program button, that is program button. So now what is program button? Under the quick access toolbar, the first button on the left side is a program button which opens up the main menu of the program. Okay, so I have told you, so I have shown in the book as well. तो देखिए क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार जो उसके बगल में एक छोटी सी एरो होती है, सो दिस अ स्मॉल एरो. ओके, सो एज वी क्लिक ऑन दैट एरो the main menu of the program will open. So that means that you can see the main menu of the program in that program button. So it is given here under the quick access toolbar. The first button on the left side is a program button which opens up the main menu of the program. So what is the program button? So program button contains, okay, the main menu of the program. Okay, so as we click on it, it will open up and it will show the main menu of the program. So what will we do? Program button, it opens up the main menu. It opens up the main menu of the program. Okay, so that means in short you can say that it displays all the content that is given in the main menu of the given program in the front. Okay, so as we click on program button, this is a small arrow. So program button is a small arrow just beside the quick access toolbar. So as we click on that arrow, so the main menu of the program will appear in front of you. Clear? So this is the three: title bar, quick access toolbar and program button. Now next is tab. Now what is tab? Now we will talk about the tab. Okay, it's better you just note down these important points in your notebook. Okay, or you just underline in your book. या तो आप लिख सकते हैं और either you can underline it in your books. Clear? The next is tab. The next is tab. Now what is the use of tab? देखिए, so the group of related commands are given in tabs. Home and view are the two tabs in the program. So now, okay, so इसमें this is our tab is a group of commands. Okay, so it's a group of commands and home and view are the two tabs in the program. तो देखिए टैब्स होती हैं जिसके अंदर होम एंड व्यू होता है. सो एज यू क्लिक ऑन द होम बटन, द होम पेज विल अपीयर एंड एज वी क्लिक ऑन द व्यू ऑफ दैट गिवन प्रोग्राम और द क्रिएटेड प्रोग्राम विल अपीयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. सो इट डिस्प्लेज द ग्रुप ऑफ रिलेटेड कमांड्स इन द टैब. तो ये हमारी जो जितनी भी रिलेटेड उस प्रोग्राम से रिलेटेड जितनी भी कमांड्स होती है दैट इज डिस्प्लेड इन द टैब. Okay, so it displays the group of related commands. So what does it do? It displays displays it displays the group of related command. The group of it displays the group of related it displays the group of related commands in the tab. Related commands in the tab. So it displays the group of related commands in the tab. So this is the use of the tab button. Next is ribbon. This is also very important one. That is RIBBON. That is ribbon. So what does ribbon do? It displays group of related commands in the tabs. So what does the ribbon do? So ribbon displays the group of related commands in the tab. Each tab offers shortcut buttons to the common task. So what does it basically do? It offers the shortcut command. So it offers the shortcut buttons for a common task like the bolding, italic में लिखना है, bold में लिखना है, content छोटा करना है, arrange करना है. So basically it shows you the shortcut. Okay, it offers you the shortcut buttons to the common tasks. Okay, so what does it offers? So it offers the shortcut buttons. It offers the shortcut buttons to common tasks. It offers the shortcut button to the common tasks. Okay, so this is the use of the ribbon command. The next is maximize button. Maximize button. So what is the use of maximize button? Okay, so I have already explained you with the help of its icon. So maximize button is basically used to enlarge the size of the window to the entire desktop, or you can say it just stretch. Okay, it just fit the complete screen on the desktop. So it is basically used to enlarge the size of the window to the entire desktop. Okay, so it is used to enlarge the size of the window to the it is used to enlarge the size of the window to the entire desktop, to the entire desktop, DEXKTOP. Okay, so this is the use of maximize button. Next is minimize. Okay, the next is minimize button. So the next is minimize. Okay, so what is the use of minimize? So minimize का क्या है बेटा? So clicking on minimize button, the window is displayed on the taskbar as a window taskbar icon. So it will minimize the document and it will get displayed like a small icon. Okay, so the window जो कि display हमारे सामने जैसे हम minimize button पे click करेंगे, so that entire window will appear like an icon on the window. Last is close button. Okay, the last is close. So the close button is used basically, okay, not it is used for closing the entire window. तो पूरी window को close करने के लिए we use this close button. Okay, so these are the certain important terms that are related to the program windows. Okay, and this was from today's session as well. So with this I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a great day.